Hello there and welcome back to the Twitter marketing strategies. As you can see, it's what we call here in Spain lobster season. Note the lobsters. They're all along the beach here. All the people that come down from Madrid and from points much further north are all lined up along there and getting themselves roasted. Smart people stay in the shade. Really, you don't want much more than about 20 seconds exposure out on that beach, and they're all having fun, and I'm happy for them. But me, I prefer to find a little quiet bar, which I know further along the coast, when I fancy a little dip in the sea. But anyway, 20 seconds exposure there. 20 seconds exposure is what you really want at the end of your YouTube videos, because that's my little video marketing tip for today. If you watch a lot of videos, you might be saying something like a call to action at the end, and then your end screens and bits and pieces come up, if you've done it right, and your messages get missed. So always put 20 seconds on the end, at least 20 seconds, but it is 20 seconds, and then you can put all your end screens and links and everything at the end of your video without interfering with the message of your video. Okay, you can get more information like that from me at if you click the link in my bio, and or click the link below this video, depending where you're seeing it, and I can give you some more information about that. It's keep in the shade, keep cool. I'll say bye now from Lobsterville.